Hello, it's Glamstract here. Another video, another review. Not foundation this time, but my morning skincare routine. I was really looking forward to share with you my morning everyday skincare routine. I've been using this new skincare line now for about almost 2 months, and I feel comfortable enough to finally come here and share you my personal review about each product. And yes, I had to say goodbye to my old favorite skincare line, the Origins Mega Mushroom line. During those 4 months that I've been off YouTube, I really wanted to look for a new skincare line because you need to change it up every now and then because your skin changes through time. And as I was saying during that time off, I spent days and hours searching for a clean, fragrance-free, alcohol-free, anything that was not good for the skin I wanted to be free of. It took me some time, but I finally, found some products that are fragrance-free, alcohol-free, or maybe some have a little bit of fragrance, but it's towards the very bottom of the list of the ingredients, which means there's like a very little amount of it, which is fine. Let's dive right in. A quick shout out, I want to give it to Clinique because I've been using these products now for about 8 years probably. Is the Clinique liquid facial soap, the mild one. It's perfect. It's perfect for every skin type, especially the sensitive ones, and I do have a pretty sensitive skin. It took me some time to make this video because I wanted to make sure that I was doing it right, and also because I wanted to make sure that my skincare worked, so I allowed at least 2 months before I come here and talk about it. I have my laptop over here and I really did my search. I wrote down all the things that I was super excited about these skincare products, all the claims, ingredients, and what are good for, who are good for. So I hope you're gonna leave this video feeling like I feel like I have more knowledge about that product now. But full disclaimer, these products work for my particular skin type. I have a sensitive skin type. I have a little bit of like redness around my nose. My cheeks are a little pretty neutral. My forehead is slightly, oilier than the rest of my face, so it's like a normal to combination skin, but more normal than combination, I would say. It depends on the season as well. Let's start with the first product. So after I've cleansed my face with the Clinique facial wash, the mild one, I go in with toner. And for toner, I use the Calendula Herbal-Extract toner, alcohol-free, by KIEHL'S. Let me read you more about this product. Our Calendula Herbal-Extract alcohol-free toner is designed to soothe problem skin, made with whole flowers and pure extract, maintaining the natural balance and integrity of the skin. Calendula. Native to Mediterranean calendula extract and calendula petals are known for their skin-soothing properties and are commonly used in skincare products for oily skin types. For many centuries, calendula has been highly regarded as a herb in both Ayurvedic and traditional Chinese practices. Another ingredient is allantoin. Allantoin? I don't know if I'm saying this right, and I'm so sorry if I botched the name. I probably should like YouTube or something to hear at least the pronunciation of this, but I didn't. Allantoin is a compound found in the root of the comfrey plant, a hairy perennial Eurasian herb long used in herbal medicine. Allantoin is known to soothe and comfort skin. Another ingredient is the great burdock root. Has been used for centuries to moisturize dry skin. Known for its soothing properties, great burdock root is also believed to help to reduce oil. This toner is fragrance, essential oils, and alcohol-free, and that's what I really love about this toner. And just a side note, if you find these sort of worms, it look like worms, but they're actually flower petals, the actual calendula petals that flow inside. Don't get worried, they're meant to be there. I really love this toner because it really preps my skin. It really starts off saying, here you go, here's the start to your successful skincare. It really hydrates, and I feel like it really breaks that barrier that the cleanser did on your skin. Because I don't know about you, but when you cleanse your face, there's always a little bit of like, I wouldn't say tightness, but you feel like your skin is very clean, right? So it almost feels like it has like a sort of barrier on the skin. When I put this toner on, it really like sort of helped me to break that barrier of just cleansed skin and like opens up my skin for next products to come. And I really like that product for that reason, because it's really hydrating and it really preps the skin for the rest of your skincare routine. After the toner, I go in with my serum, and I use this Feeling Good Hyaluronic Acid Plumping Serum by Farmacy. Which, by the way, I want to spend a few words about this brand Farmacy, because I discovered this brand during my 4 months off, and I was really pleased when I discovered this brand, because it is such an amazing brand and it does so much for the community as well. I just want to read you very quickly. I just wrote down just a few points. So Farmacy's mission is to cultivate conscious beauty. We use responsible farm-sourced ingredient to create thoughtful, clean, plus cruelty-free skincare formulas. Yes, we're clean. No parabens, sulfate, SLS and SLES, mineral oils, formaldehyde, etc. So it's very clean and organic, and it's amazing. They also do quite a bit when it comes to charities. In fact, we're a proud partner of Feeding America, the nation's largest hunger relief organization. In an effort to put meals where our mouth is, we are committed to donating 1.5 million meals in 2021, 3 million meals in 2022, and 6 million meals in 2023. Since 2019, they reduced carton packaging by 80%, and they switched to 100% recycling cup plus jars. But let me tell you more about this serum. These are some of the ingredients, and I'm going to read through each. Full spectrum multimolecular hyaluronic acid that penetrates the skin at different levels to maximize plumping and hydration instantly and long term. Another ingredient, encapsulated thyme extract, a lipofilling encapsulated active that is in a clinical study reduced smile lines and crow's feet after just 60 days. I have to be honest, my skin feels more plumped, my pores feel more tightened, and my fine lines sort of like slightly soften. Not fully, let's be honest. I'm not giving, I don't want to be, that person to say, this is amazing. Of course, I feel it's slightly better, but it's not going to get any better than this. Trust me. We're aging, okay? It cannot get better. Cruel. Another ingredient, vegan collagen peptide, a fermentation-driven collagen peptide that's been shown to be 200 times more effective than marine collagen. Amino acids visibly firms and moisturizes skin for a radiant, youthful looking appearance. Now, the main ingredients of this particular product that draw me into this is the proprietary honey blend. Known for its soothing and home-scented properties, our pure raw honey is ultra-hydrating and efficiently delivers antioxidant and amino acids to the skin. Plus, this serum is also alcohol-free. It does contain a little bit of fragrance, but I'm not too worried about, because as I said, it's like towards the very end of the list, which means there's only going to be a little bit of it. This brand is amazing. I really invite you to have a look into this brand a little bit more. They do other lines as well. It's not just the honey ones, but they do other ones which are more fruity. But the fruitier one, I found that it has a little bit more fragrance in it, like the fragrance moves more up in the list, and that's why I really didn't consider those. After serum, I used a moisturizer, and this moisturizer is also from Farmacy. It's the Honey Hollow Ultra Hydrating Ceramide Moisturizer, and it does come with its own spatula, which is pretty cute because you don't want to dip your fingers inside and maybe infected with bacteria and things like that. So I really like the fact that it comes with a spatula, which I regularly clean after every use. And the spatula for sure is not going to get lost, because usually it's like these teeny tiny things. You always worry like, okay, I'm going to lose it, I'm not going to be able to find it anymore. But actually the cap, it's magnetic, so it's always going to be stuck on it, and I think it's a pretty genius idea. More details about this moisturizer, the key ingredients. Buckwheat honey with propolis plus royal jelly blend. Known for its soothing and humectant properties, this special honey blend provides skin-loving moisture and antioxidants. Fig fruits extract plus osmolytes, humectants that helps bind and restore moisture, leaving skin looking plump and supple. Potent ceramide blends. Red moderates, prevents moisture loss and replenish skin barrier. Shea butter plus vitamin E protect, nourish, and help lock in moisture. This moisturizer is both fragrance and alcohol free. Now, I'm so sorry to the brand Farmacy and to anybody out there if I botch some names, because some names are pretty hard to actually read, like these rehydrates or these humectants, osmolytes. I read into it and I struggle to say it. Even if somebody says it to me, I'm struggling still to repeat it for Weird reason. Very quick side note, for whoever knows me knows that I don't like honey at all. And it comes quite funny that most of my morning skincare routine is honey based. In fact, not much in the moisturizer, but in the serum, it has a very strong honey smell. And I don't like honey smell. In fact, at the very beginning, when I was starting using the skincare, I was dragging to put serum on every day because I really didn't like the smell. But I said to myself, Glamstract, get over it. This is good for your skin. And in fact, the results are starting to show. And to be honest, I kind of got used to it now because using it morning and night, I just got used to it. After my moisturizer, I go in with my eye cream. I use is the Cerave Eye Repair Cream. Again, something clean, something that is gonna work, not overpriced. This is the cheapest product I have in my skincare routine at the moment. Not that they're like the other products like are so overpriced, but Farmacy and KIEHL'S are considered a little bit more overpriced products, so it is a little bit overpriced, but not too overpriced. Facts. So the Cerave Reparating Eye Cream, developed with dermatologist Cerave Eye Repair Cream, reduces the appearance of dark circles and eye puffiness. Specially formulated to protect the skin barrier with 3 essential ceramides, hyaluronic acids help to retain the skin natural moisture. And it protects and brightens, reduce the look of dark circle and puffiness to brighter, healthier looking eyes. This product is fragrance, essential oils, and alcohol-free. And to be honest, I'm not gonna be that person that says, this cream got rid of my dark circles. No, it didn't, but it certainly provided more moisture to the skin. And I do feel like my eye area doesn't look as dark as it used to be. Still dark, but not as dark as it used to be. After eye cream, I go in with an oil. Now, I've always been very reluctant of using oils because when I was younger, I used to suffer with more combo to oily skin. But now I feel like my skin, as I said at the very beginning, is more like a normal to combo. And in fact, some areas might be a little bit more drier than others. I was always scared to apply oil, but I was totally wrong because oil is not gonna make your skin oily. Oils is mainly for like hydration, but you know, when you're young, you just connect dots that are not really there to be connected. Anyway, oil, we go back to the brand Farmacy. I use the Honey Grail Ultra-Hydrating Face Oil. Key ingredients: buckwheat honey, known for its powerful antioxidant, super soothing, and humectant properties. Our special honey provides skin-loving moisture and nourishment. Sea bucket oil, regarded as an Almite Wonder Oil. I'm sorry if I pause every now and then because some words are a little bit tricky. Full of antioxidant and moisturizing omegas 3, 6, and 7, along with vitamin and amino acids. Anti-aging, help keep skin healthy. Hair too, so you can use it in your hair as well if you want. And guards against free radical damage. 5 flower oil brands: hibiscus, rose hips, evening primrose, crumb plus sunflowers. Blend of nutrient-rich flower oils full of omega fatty acids to nourish, hydrate, and maintain a healthy skin barrier. This product is also alcohol-free. Since I've been using this oil, my skin feels so beautiful, and my skin really soaks this oil in. What does that mean? That my skin is in need of hydration. So if you feel like your products, after you apply your moisturizer, serums, and everything, you feel like your skin soaks it up, so it soaks it up, and that means your skin really was craving those products. So make sure you use very good skincare. And last but certainly not least, because everybody needs this, not this particular brand or product, I'm just saying SPF in general. I use the Clinique SPF 50, the mineral sunscreen fluid for face. I particularly like this one is because it's fragrance free and it's also all mineral sunscreen. Product details: ultra lightweight, 100% mineral sunscreen, is incredibly comfortable even for sensitive skins. Gentle enough to use around the eye area too. Invisible shield technology forms a protective veil that's virtually invisible on all skin tones and is oil free as well. So fragrance, essential oils, and alcohol free. When you apply it, it leaves you like a little bit of white cast, but just for the very few seconds, then the skin just absorbs it beautifully and you cannot see anything anymore of that white cast left behind. Lately, if I have to be truly honest with you, I've kind of stopped when I'm going out, mainly. When I'm indoor and I like to do my makeup, but I know I'm staying inside just for the fun of it. I still like to use primer, but since I got this, I actually quite enjoying to use this as a primer itself. I did also ask the question to the Clinique experts because I didn't want to just like do my own things. As SPF is the last step of a skincare routine, can I use this SPF as actual primer before I apply foundation on top? And the kind lady advised that absolutely all of our products are perfect for makeup application, you know, just before makeup application. So I've been using this sort of as a primer as well slash SPF, and the foundations have been laying on pretty nicely. And these were all the products that I use for my morning everyday skincare routine. I really hope you find this video helpful and somehow I open the doors to some products that you never considered. I'm really trying my best to go clean when it comes to skincare. I know I cannot do that with foundations because most of the foundations that I like always have fragrance in it, but we can't do much about that unless you go to the body shop and use their foundations. Not saying that they are bad, but I really love, for example, my Dior Forever Skin Glow Foundation, not the new reformulated one, the old version to be exact, and some other products that also have, unfortunately, fragrance in it. But fragrance, I feel, is something you almost cannot avoid, but I'm really happy that lately a lot of brands are really investing their time into becoming more eco-friendly, fragrance-friendly, essential oils-friendly, alcohol-free. You know, I really enjoy this. We're moving forward. Now is your time to let me know. Let me know in the comments down below what you think of these skincare products. Also, let me know what is your favorite morning skincare routine. Of course, I have planned to share an evening skincare routine as well, which is coming soon. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. But also, if you didn't like it, give it a thumbs up as well, because why not? Let's spread the love. While you're here on my YouTube channel, why don't you just go ahead and subscribe here, and also head over to my Instagram page where you can follow me there at Glamstract as well, if you like. Thank you so much for watching once again, and hopefully I'll see you in my next video. Bye.